Just getting started with a new network on social? Hootsuite makes it easy to kickstart your presence and start connecting with your audience right away. Let's start in listening, where we can learn about our target network. In this example, we're starting an account on Blue Sky, so we'll look at Blue Sky listening. Start by searching for your industry and filtering the results by the network you want to build a presence in. For us, that will be Blue Sky users in North America. See what the sentiment is around your industry, what people are talking about, the influencers shaping the conversations, and the top themes related to your industry to get some ideas of where you could create a unique presence in the space. Try more keywords to dig deeper into the insights, like searching your top competitors or searching specific keywords unique to your industry. If you already have a Blue Sky account, try searching for your company name to see how your brand is perceived by Blue Sky users and see what opportunities there are to grow your following by tapping into top themes and addressing negative sentiment. Now that you've got an idea of the landscape in Blue Sky for your brand, it's time to jump into Owly GPT to strategize and get some content ideas. Let's ask Owly GPT for ideas on what kind of content would resonate best on Blue Sky and what success metrics and benchmarks we should compare to. Thinking about a campaign for a specific holiday? Owly GPT can help draft some ideas too. When you find some winning ideas in Owly GPT, send them straight to Whiteboard, where you can brainstorm and collaborate with your team, all within Hootsuite. Start a board and share with teammates by tagging them in the comments. Once you've landed on some great content for your Blue Sky account launch, schedule them directly from Whiteboard to your calendar. In Plan, you can schedule your social content with all the tools you need in one place. Update your post details, find the best time to schedule, and you're all set. Keep your calendar full and watch your presence grow with Hootsuite.